Sennheiser MKH 416. Luke, call me daddy. Booklet. Oh, what is that? A manual of windscreens and accessories that we could get later on. An instruction booklet. And of course, we have the most important part, the windscreen. No, I kind of like the foam, but the most actual important part, the mic holder. So you can see we could screw that in. And it does come in a nice hard shell case with foam inside. Very nice, honestly. And here we have the mic itself. It's just a nice rod. It's a nice long microphone. I'm excited to use it, try it out. Here's where you plug in the XLR, and honestly, there's not much to it.